Today, I'm demonstrating bottom-up provisioning for direct internet access over GPON, using Intraway's no-code, cloud-native, service orchestration and activation platform, Symphonica, and our service installation app, Tech Assist. Here's a quick recap of the process. It starts when the customer places the order with the operator. The operator will input the order into the CRM or billing, and this will send a service order into Symphonica. From there, we will see two things. 1. Symphonica is able to orchestrate and activate the services, both in the OLT manager and in the edge router. And 2. The technician can use the Tech Assist app to guide that installation and validate the quality of the service in approximately 3 minutes. Let's see how it works. Once the service order is created in the CRM, it is sent to Symphonica. Right now, I'm in the subscriber management system of Symphonica, a CRM emulator. And here I have already received the order from the CRM. I can look for the customer that was just created, and the subscription for that customer. We can see that the customer has no associated service in its inventory. Using the Symphonica GUI, we can check the service order status that Symphonica just received. Using the Tech Assist application, we are going to install a new ONT. We can see the manual task to be assigned. We as technicians will claim the task. After claiming it, we can enter the ONT serial number to be installed, or scan the QR code using the camera from our phone. Scanning the QR code with TAA will allow technicians to share the ONT serial number with Symphonica in a zero-touch way. Once scanned, click on Complete Task, and the flow will continue. Symphonica allows us to inspect flow execution in real time, so clicking on the service order will access detailed information on it. We can also access the real-time execution view by clicking on the order item that is in progress. This action leads us to the real-time flow execution, where we can see all the tasks that Symphonica executes to provision the device, both in the GPON controller and in the core network. The technician can be notified of the execution flow in real time, using the mobile application. As mentioned, the flow queries information from the network and installs the device. This BPM flow includes everything that Symphonica needs to do when it receives an order from the CRM for this specific service. It can include partial fallouts, total fallouts. In this case, it ends with the workforce management closing the order. During the configuration, Symphonica goes to the GPON manager and sends all the commands via SOAP. We can see here the commands sent via SOAP and the responses. The network core part is also configured. All actions are executed using the Symphonica connector. Once the flow is finished, a complete status message is shown in the Tech Assist app. We can check execution flow, so the technician also sees all the orders completed in the workload, including the one he just finalized. It took less than 3 minutes to complete the installation. When the service is finished, Symphonica keeps important information in its inventory. We can see the access and service detail from the customer's inventory. This information can be seen using the Tech Assist app. Finally, in Symphonica, we will see in the customer view what service was activated. If we look at the ONT now, it's associated with the subscription with the serial number. The same happens with the equipment on the edge router, so all the interfaces are there. This completes the service installation process. And that is how we finish a process that normally takes at least a day for many subscribers, because of the swivel chair, in a few minutes. To round up, here are some key takeaways. The bottom-up provisioning is done on the fly, so there is no need for pre-staging or calling customer service. The operator can validate the quality of the installation before the technician leaves the location, reducing service installation-related complaints. And the birth certificate is automatically generated and stored in the customer file. Thanks for watching our demo. For more information on how Intraway's Symphonica simplifies and speeds up service activation processes, please visit www.symphonica.com.